Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel and also in this video, so you can WhatsApp us for training. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to cover now is the Westferry Road to Borthwick Street. So let's look into this. So this again, firstly, you've got this green point in red, so we are traveling from green to red. And this is a tunnel question, so we'll take the Rotherhithe tunnel here. Okay, so let's zoom in. And we're going to start from here, and then we'll go here, because we need to stay on the left side, so carry on going there. And we'll go up from here, and then towards this side. So carry on going there, straight from here. Straight, and now you can see that we are approaching the tunnel. So when you see this tunnel approach, that means we are inside the tunnel because of this broken line as well, right? So you need to stay here. And you carry on going down. So we are inside the tunnel once we see these broken lines, right? So this is the tunnel that we have taken. So you carry on going down. Right, so keep going. Just follow these broken lines, so you won't make any mistake with that then. Now when we see this tunnel approach here, which is written here, that means we are coming out of that tunnel, right? So now you turn this way and keep going down here. So keep going down from here. So we will keep going down. So let's see the route that we have. So this is where we need to go. So we are going in the right direction here. So let's zoom in. So carry on going down. So here we can see our red point. So we just need to see where we're going to get in. So we can get in from here. Right, so this arrow shows that it's one way anyway. So we'll come up from here and we just move towards the our destination point, and then just click on that. So that's how you do the question. Again, this question came in the exam because this is a tunnel question. You just need to remember a couple of things. When you are getting into this tunnel, you have to see where the tunnel approach is. So you just follow the broken lines, you get into the tunnel approach. And the other important thing is, when you see the tunnel approach here again, that means you are coming out of the tunnel, right? So once you have this in mind in your planning, then you can't go wrong. So that's the route that we have here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.